everyone and good evening. My name is Izzue bin Esami. My age is 10. My father's name is Isami bin Ismail. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Nazatul Isma binti Ishaq. She is a university teacher. They are over there. Hi. My favorite color is blue and green. My favorite food is meat and nasi lemak. And drink ice lemon tea. My favorite subject is science. My best friend is Mikael. I like to watch YouTube. My hobby is drawing. I am happiest when I play with my friends. When I grow up, I want to be an artist. I love my parents because they take care of me. Thank you. Bye. Hello everyone. Good evening. I will tell you a story about the hungry dragon. Deep in the mountains lives a dragon. Every 100 years he wakes up. He is very hungry. He needs some breakfast. He went down the mountain to the village. He saw a boy, young, a boy for breakfast. Don't eat me, said the queen. I'll give you some food. Gabriel took the dragon to his house. He ate three plates of chicken and rice. I'm still hungry, said the dragon. Gabriel gave the dragon more food. He ate 5 plates of noodles and 10 sausage. He was still hungry. They went to the restaurant. The dragon ate 20 meatballs and 50 fish balls. With 12 plates of sticky rice. After that, he ate 6 puddings and a cake. He was still hungry. They went to the shop and the dragon ate all the food and vegetables, mangoes and cabbages, tomatoes, mushrooms and beans. He was a bit hungry. Gabriel looked in his pocket. There was one sweet candy. He gave the sweet to the dragon. The dragon exploded. Hooray, shouted Gabriel. The dragon is gone. No more boys for breakfast. Thank you.